Arshad Warkadi, Executive Chairman, Mr. Jitendra S.H., AEO, Mrs. Sundari R. Shetty, President of Minja Grama Panchayat, Mrs. Rukia Siddiq, Chairperson, Developing and Standing Committee, Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, Vice President of Paris Pastor Council, PTA President, Mr. Prasanna Montero, PTA Secretary, Mrs. Santi, School Administrator, Sister Salet Mary, School Committee Member, kindly be seated. Esteemed guest of honor, Honorable President of the school, PTA President and Vice President, respected teachers, beloved parents, friends, and our dear students. A warm welcome to all for the annual day celebration of Fatima English Medium School. I am Mrs. Hemavati. We feel extremely glad to have been hosting today's program, which we are sure everyone looks forward to. We can see happy, smiling faces everywhere. Clearly, the occasion is special.
ಕಲಿಕೆಯು ಸೃಜನಾತ್ಮಕತೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಯು ಚಿಂತನೆಗೆ ಕಾರಣವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಚಿಂತನೆಯು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವು ಕೇವಲ ಪಾಠಪುಸ್ತಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರದೆ ಅದು ಮಗುವಿನ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಪ್ರಗತಿಗೆ ಪೂರಕವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು ನೂರಾರು, ಸವಾಲಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ. ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಗತಿಗೆ ರೂಪಿಸುವ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು ಚಿಂತನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ, ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾಗಿ, ಆದರ್ಶವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ನಾನು ಸೌಮ್ಯ, ಫ್ಯಾಟಿಮಾ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Prayer is the rising of one's mind and heart to God on the requesting of good things from Him. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without heart. Whether we realize it or not, prayer is the encounter of God's thirst. Now I call upon Nishita and group to invoke God's blessing by prayer dance.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಸ್ವ ನೀನೇ ತಾನೇ, ಸ್ತುತಿ ವಂದನೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ, ಸರ್ವ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ದೇವನೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನಿಮಗರ್ಚನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸವಿನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗರ್ಪಣೆ.
Dear students, through your graceful movement, you have brought heavenly blessings on us.
Now I request all the dignitaries to come on the dais. be seated. Welcome is the aristocratic act of any function. By welcoming, we make the person feel at home. Now I request our headmistress, Sister Salat Mary, to welcome the guest.
I request all the school management committee members to come on the stage. Esteemed guest of honor, Honorable President of the school, Vice President of PTA, respected teachers, beloved parents, and my dear students. Greetings to one and all. I'm extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all on this auspicious occasion. It is an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech for the annual function. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens of our state, our nation, and the world. This evening, we gather not just as a school community, but as a family bound by the shared spirit of learning, growth, and achievements. It is an momentous occasion. We have gathered here to celebrate the achievements, talents, and hard work of our institution, teachers, and students over the past years. This is a day when we witness and acknowledge the growth, creativity, learning, and extraordinary contributions. An annual function celebration is not just as a day of entertainment and performance, but a platform to showcase the immense potential of our students. It is a reflection of the value we instill in them, like teamwork, diligence, resilience, and creativity. This evening, we have prepared a spectacular extravagance for all of you. Our students have put in countless hours of practice and preparations to bring to you an evening filled with music, drama, dance, more. Each performance is a testament to their dedication, passion, and talent. Furthermore, this annual day celebration is an opportunity for us to express our gratitude to all those who have supported us throughout the year. School management, our dedicated teachers, members of the staff, and school management committee, Parents Teachers Association, and parents have played a vital role in shaping the lives of our students. This unwavering support, guidance, and encouragement have been instrumental to their children. As we celebrate the special day, it is important to reflect on this journey we have embarked upon. Education should not be confined to the boundaries of the classrooms. It should be an numerous experience and nurtures the mind, soul, and body. Our focus is not just on academic excellence, but also on holistic development. We aim to create well-rounded individuals who can make a positive impact on the society. Brilliant faces that I am witnessing you today, receiving awards and exhibiting their talents will grow up and definitely will be the citizens of our beloved nation tomorrow. They may grow up to achieve great success, name, fame, as well as high human values. But on the other hand, we wish them to be a good human beings and make this world a better living. Today, we also have an honorable gracing of esteemed guest who has taken time out of their busy schedules to join us and inspire us with their lovely speeches. We would like to extend our warmest welcome to all of them and express our gratitude for their presence. Your support and encouragement means a lot to us, and we are truly honored to have you all here with us. With these sentiments, I extend a warm welcome to our Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, Joint Secretary, Fatima English Medium School, Miapado. Dear Father, your guidance, insights, and constant support for the welfare of our school will be uncountable, motivative, and guidance to all of us to continue our journey and growth of our school. We welcome you cordially, Father. We welcome wholeheartedly respected Harshad Varkadi, Executive Chairperson, Developing Standing Committee, Kasaragod. Dear Sir, on behalf of all the school management and all the parents, we cordially welcome you, sir. A special welcome to Mrs. Rukia Siddiq, Chairman, Executive Chairperson, Developing Standing Committee, Minja Panchayat. We hearty welcome to you, ma'am. We have a special guest and senior most in our school, and he served a lot to us, that is Mr. Paul Montero. Dear sir, we welcome you for this annual day. Most welcome, dear sir. Mr. Fahian K, alumnus, Fatima English Medium School, we are grateful for you, sir, for gracing this occasion. Cordially, we'll welcome you, Mr. Fahian K. Miss Josuita Montero, our first batch alumna, Fatima English Medium School, we welcome you cordially, dear ma'am. A warm welcome to PTA Vice President Mr. Prasanna Montero. He has constant support and guidance, and his help is always remembered. We welcome you, dear sir. A most welcome to our dear PTA Secretary Ms. Shanti. We cordially welcome you, ma'am. We welcome Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, Vice President, Parish Pastoral Council. We hearty welcome to you, sir. We welcome Mr. Sarita D'Souza, Secretary, Parish Pastoral Council. Welcome you, dear ma'am, for this program. I welcome all the school management committee members, Mr. Lawrence, Mr. Joachim, Mr. Gary, Mr. Francis, and Miss Juliana. Most welcome to all of you. I welcome all the PTA members, all those who are gathered here, and it is appreciated your constant support for our development and the growth of our school. I welcome all the PTA members. ಫಾತಿಮಾ ದೇವಾಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. A hearty welcome to all the neighboring school headmasters, headmistresses, teachers, students, and dear friends, and all the parents. I welcome you all for this beautiful evening and the annual day celebration. A warm welcome to all the proud parents of our Fatimites English Medium School. Let us give a big hands to all your dear parents and welcome them for this program. I also take an opportunity to welcome Mr. Derek, videographer, Mr. Francis, photographer, M.H. Prakash and his colleagues, lighting and sound system. Welcome to you all. I welcome all the shining stars of our Fatimites. Dear students, I welcome you all for this annual day function. Let us give big hands to all our students. It's a most pleasure for me to welcome our Reverend DEO, Mr. Dinesh V, District Education Officer, Kasaragod. Dear sir, we are really privileged to have you with us on this beautiful evening. On behalf of everybody, I welcome you, sir, for this program. I welcome all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our schools for their hard work and appreciated. Welcome to all our dear teachers. Let us give a big hands to all our teachers, those who are gathered here, and they are really worked hard to make this beautiful event to a successful one. I would like to conclude my speech encouraging all the students and the parents and the teachers to support one another for building the good citizens of our world. Thank you one and all.
Dear sister, your sweet words of welcome made all of us feel at home. I welcome you too for annual day celebration. ಅಂಧಕಾರವನ್ನು ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸಿ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ದೀಪ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತಾ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸೋಣ.
Now I invite Father Edwin, Mr. Dinesh sir, Mr. Arshad Warkadi, Mrs. Rukia Siddiq, Sister Salat Mary, PTA President Mr. Prasanna Montero, Mrs. Santi, lighting the lamp and inaugurate the annual day function.
विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जना.
Thank you, dignitaries, for lighting the lamp. Kindly take your honorable seats in front of the stage. The secret of joy in work is contained in one word, excellence. To know how to do something well is to enjoy it. It is my delight to call upon Sister Inna Mary to present the annual report of Fatima English Medium School during the academic year 2023-24.
Real education fetches you more than a job. It teaches you to live. It cannot be measured in any tangible way. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the dreams. So dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. A pleasant good evening to one and all. Esteemed guest of the day, parents, well-wishers, teaching and non-teaching staff, and dear children. As we approach to the end of our 23 years of service towards providing quality education, we take this opportunity to thank the Almighty Lord for His abundant blessings and guidance from the management, teachers, parents, and well-wishers. With your permission, I, Sister Inna Mary, presents the annual report for the year 2023 and 24. As we share the yearly updates of our activities, we take the modesty to say that we did our best to do as we had planned, and we are proud of our teachers and students who strive hard to achieve beyond expectations. We have focused on the holistic development of the students. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. As academic session witnesses repositioning, restructuring, and refocusing. Academics. Learning gives you creativity. Creativity leads to thinking, and thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of endeavor for all educators and academic institutions. Fatima English Medium School started in 2000 with KG sections, and by 2023 we reached up to 7th standard. The school is recognized by the state government of Kerala. For this academic year, we have 174 students. Every year, we have 3 unit tests and 3 term examinations. These examinations are to measure the academic standard of the children. The whole purpose of the education is to turn mirror into windows. As we all know, our former HM, Sister Jimsy, is transferred, and in her place, Sister Salat Mary has taken charge as the HM. We have 10 experienced, qualified, and dedicated teaching staff and 2 non-teaching staff. We duly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone associated with this institution, who have tried their best to mold our students to work hard to make their dreams and aspirations come true. Teachers are also learners. Staying update is the key to success in any field, especially in education. Our teachers have also improved their training skills as they attended cluster-wise training program organized by sub-district level in Manjeshwar and community English course training conducted by Mangalore Diocese Educational Board in Mangalore. Karate classes. We have restarted our karate classes in our institution. Karate is not to hit someone, not to defeat anyone. It is to help our students to have disciplined life, improve their concentration, self-defense, and self-esteem. These karate classes are taken by Mr. Sanath. We are thankful to you, sir, for your willingness to take the classes, and we are also grateful to our management for providing such a great opportunity to the students. Praveshosthav. Praveshosthav was celebrated on June 1st, 2023 at 9:30 a.m. All the students gathered at the main entrance of the school gate. Our Joint Secretary, Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, along with Sister Selath Mary and the class teachers, welcomed all the children and newcomers. Inauguration of School Parliament. The main purpose of school parliament is to develop leadership qualities in students. All the students casted their votes and elected leaders from 7th standard. They are SPL Master Sridath, Assistant SPL Miss Lagya, Discipline Leaders Master Ajay, Master Tushar, Miss Aditi, Sports Leaders Master Renvil, Miss Ruveda, and Cultural Leaders Master Vivian and Miss Nishita. All the leaders took oath and accepted the responsibilities. PTA meeting and election of the executive meetings. PTA meeting was held for this academic year on 24 June 2023. The main agenda of this meeting was to elect executive members and to plan the yearly programs. For each class, 2 parents were selected. Mr. Prasanna Montero was elected as the Vice President and Mrs. Shanti as Secretary of PTA for the academic year 2023. Executive committee members come together for the major programs during the year and work hand in hand for the success of the program. We are grateful to the executive committee for their support and cooperation. On 23rd September 2023, we conducted class PTA. This is to inform the parents about their child's performance. We cherish and thank all the parents for their cooperation and their constructive suggestions in our endeavor of imparting quality education. Co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities provide children opportunities to showcase their talents. Housewise and open house competitions were conducted throughout the year in solo dance, solo singing, essay writing, poem writing, mono act, mime, group dance, and reading. School houses and clubs. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from unity. The students of the school are divided into 4 different houses: yellow, blue, maroon, and pink. Each house is managed by the house teachers and house captain. The house on duty performs its duty on conducting the day-to-day activities and competitions. On October 28th, we conducted group-wise cultural competitions like group dance, singing, mime, and reading. We started a new program that is based on different subjects: mathematics, science, English, Kannada, Hindi, and social science. Based on these subjects, students are divided into 6 clubs. The main purpose of these clubs are to increase the knowledge about each subject. These clubs are managed by teachers and club leaders. Shastrosava is sub-district level competitions on various subjects like science, social, maths, and work experience fair. They conducted quiz, chat works, bookbinding, paper craft, models, and exhibitions. Our students participated in all these activities. One of our students from UP section in sub-district level got first prize in science quiz and others got A grades and certificates. We congratulate all the students for their hard work. There was also another cultural competition at sub-district level, Kalostava, which was held from 7th to 10th of November in Dharmatadaka. It includes various cultural events based on different languages like story writing, poem writing, storytelling, Mapilapatu, drawing, dances, etc. Our students participated in many of these competitions and got memento and A grades. Hearty congrats to all the students for their hard work. Sports Day. Sports teaches how to lose, but it also teaches how not to be a loser. The dominion of sports has the vast potential to better the game of life itself. Besides promoting physical fitness, it places importance on healthy lifestyles and helps in developing social skills. The annual Sports Day was organized on 3rd and 4th November 2023. It was inaugurated by our Joint Secretary by lighting the sports light. The 2 days, all the students enjoyed the sports. Medals and certificates were awarded for the winners. From 4th to 6th of October 2023, many of our students participated in sub-district level sports competitions like relay, 50 meters, 100 meters, 20 meters, 200 meters running race and shot put. All the students enjoyed the games and were very happy to be part of the sub-district level sports. Along with these various events, we also celebrated a lot of other celebrations. Some of them are Environment Day was celebrated on 5th June to create awareness on the importance of protecting the Mother Nature. All the students planted saplings class-wise from KG to 7th standard and drawing competitions also conducted. Vayana Dinam. Let's read. Today's readers are tomorrow's leaders. On June 19th, we celebrated Vayana Dinam by introducing Reading Day for the school children. All the children in our school read various poems and stories and have taken oath to read daily to improve their vocabulary and knowledge. Yoga Day. June 21st is observed as International Yoga Day. Yoga is the journey of the self to the self through the self. We introduced yoga to all the students and gave speech on benefits of yoga. Independence Day was celebrated with great honor and patriotism, where our Joint Secretary hoisted the flag. Various cultural programs also conducted. Teachers' Day. On Teachers' Day, the children performed various programs and conducted games and showed great respect and love towards the teachers. On October 27th, we celebrated our Joint Secretary, Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa's birthday. The teachers and students wished him with meaningful song and performed beautiful dances. To show love and affection towards the students, Children's Day was celebrated on November 14th. Teachers performed dances and conducted games to children. Along with this, annual prize distribution day was celebrated. Winners of sports and cultural events were awarded with medals and certificates. Infrastructure. We have upgraded our infrastructure facilities, including painting of school building, computer lab. Apart from teaching, computer is also important for each and every student in the competitive era. So the management have installed 10 computers for classes 1 to 7 standard students where they learn word painting, PPT, drawing, Word documents, etc. Library. The primary purpose of the library is to provide extra knowledge to students. This year, we have brought 150 story books, general knowledge books, and various stories of great leaders. Our management has provided high jump and long jump pit, throwball court, and volleyball court to improve sports skills for students. We are grateful to our Joint Secretary, Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, for bringing all the changes for the welfare and development of children's progress. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. So the teacher's job is to help children change for better. We will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities. This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. In the end, I would like to conclude with these lines. If you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Thank you.
We are grateful to you, Sister Inna Mary, Miss Lavanya, Mrs. Lydia. That was a very interesting and colorful presentation.
Here are the charming blistering of LKG to mesmerize you with their gleaming moment. Let us welcome them with big round of applause.
Good morning to you all. I am Sanvi from LKG. Good evening to you all. I am Fatima Tarzana from LKG. Today we are gathered here to celebrate annual day program. We the tiny sons of Fatima English Medium School came to welcome Reverend Father, invited guests, Headmistress sister, dear parents and teachers, friends and well-wishers to our annual day program. Once again, a warm welcome to you all. Now our friends are going to perform a beautiful dance. Let us watch. Let us see. Enjoy with us.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration. It's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
பட்டர்ஃப்ளைய பாரு மாறி வந்தத பாரு கலர் கலரா நிறங்கள் விதவிதமா டிசைன்கள் பட்டர்ஃப்ளைய பாரு மாறி வந்தத பாரு கலர் கலரா நிறங்கள் விதவிதமா டிசைன்கள் ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜின் எத்தனை அழகு எத்தனை ஜோரு வானை சுற்றி சுற்றி பறந்து செல்லுது பாரு எத்தனை அழகு எத்தனை ஜோரு வானை சுற்றி சுற்றி பறந்து செல்லுது பாரு ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜின் ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிஞ்சு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜின் போதும் உன் வாழ்க்கை மாறி போகும். ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங். ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங். பட்டர்ஃப்ளைய பாரு, மாறி வந்தத பாரு, கலர் கலரா நிறங்கள், விதவிதமா டிசைன்கள். பட்டர்ஃப்ளைய பாரு, மாறி வந்தத பாரு, கலர் கலரா நிறங்கள், விதவிதமா டிசைன்கள். ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங். ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங். ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங். ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்கு ஜிக்கா 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 ஜிங்.
Our school children are participated in inter-school karate championship. In that competition, they won the prizes. Second prize, Amshita. Third, Sharanya and Arshita. Thank you, madam, for distributing the prizes.
May I request Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa to present the award to the best house champion. We have 4 houses in our school: yellow, blue, pink, and maroon. Students are divided into these groups. We have conducted different activities like flower carpet, dance and fancy dance competition, sports in the groups. So the group that has performed the best in all the activities will get the championship award. Now I request our Joint Secretary, Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, to give the best champion award and to congratulate them.
The best championship award goes to Yellow House. Yellow House leader, please come. Karthik, Slagya. Second, Blue House. Amshita and Anvit. Amshita, Arshita. Anvit. Third, Pink House. Thank you, Father, for distributing the prizes. Now I request Reverend Father Vincent Correa to deliver the presidential address.
ಶಾಲಾ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ದಿನೇಶ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಅರ್ಷದ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿಯವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫರಿಯಾನ್, ಮಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ವಿಟಾ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪೌಲ್ ಮೊಂತೆರೋರವರೇ, ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಮೊಂತೆರೋರವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ PTA ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ರವರೇ, ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಊರಿನ ಜನರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಶಾಲಾ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುವ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಲೆತ್ ಮೇರಿಯವರ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಅವರು ನೀಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಅವರು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜಾನ್ ಡೂಯಿ ಎಂಬ ಮನಃಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞ, ಒಬ್ಬ ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೆಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ತಯಾರಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ. ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗಿನಿಂದ ಸಾಯುವವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ LKGಯಿಂದ PGಯವರೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ದಿನಂಪ್ರತಿ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಇಡುವ ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಶ್ರೀ ದಿನೇಶ್ ರವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಕರ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಪೋಷಕರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ರಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆದರ್ಶವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಬಾಳಿದರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಸಂಶಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಭು ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಬೈಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸುವರ್ಣ ಸೂತ್ರವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತೀರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಪರರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಜನರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಎಂದು ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಪರರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪರರು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಪರರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸುವುದಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಪರರನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಪರರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಆ ಅನುಭವ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಊಟದ ಬಟ್ಟಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಊಟ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಊಟ ಮೊದಲು ಆ ಬಟ್ಟಲಿನಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಪಡೆಯುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ LKGಯಿಂದ PGಯವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ದೊರೆಯುವ ಆ ಅನುಭವ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡಾಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ದೊರಕಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾನವರಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಲಿ, ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಸಮಾಜದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Dear Father, your words of wisdom radiated a source of energy within us. We always require your blessings.
Now we have felicitation for Mr. Fahian K. Aluminus and Josfita Montero Aluminus. I request Sister Mary Lade to introduce Mr. Fahian K.
A warm and pleasant good evening to all present here. It is with immense pride and joy that I stand before you today to introduce a distinguished guest, a alumna, Mr. Faihan, who walked the halls of this school 2 decades ago. It is a great pleasure for me to felicitate him. He is the son of Mr. K. Abbas Haji and Mrs. Tahira Uti. He studied here in our Fatima English Medium School from LKG to 5th standard. Then he continued his studies in St. Joseph Joyland Tokot 6th to 10th. 11 and 12th he studied in St. Aloysius College in Mangalore. After that he studied MBBS in Yenopaya Medical College, Derlagatta, Mangalore. After that, post-MBBS served at a community health center as a medical officer in Bangalore. Now currently pursuing MD seat in BJS Global Institute, Bangalore. Fast forward to the present, we find him not just as a successful individual, but a healer, a guardian of health. Today he holds the title of a doctor. We are very proud of you, Dr. Faihan. Congratulations. May your journey continue to inspire generations to come just as you have inspired us today. I encourage our students present here to look his journey as a source of inspiration. Once again, I congratulate and thank you for coming back to share this moment with us. Wish you good luck for the future, Dr. Faihan. Thank you.
Now I request Mrs. Ranjita to felicitate Mrs. Joshvita.
A warm good evening to one and all present here. It is a great pleasure for me to felicitate Josvita Montero alumna. It's true honor to have such a successful alumna, Miss Josvita Montero, in our midst. She is the daughter of Mr. Jerome Montero and Mrs. Rita. She was the first batch of our Fatima English Medium School. She secured 9th rank in BSc Medical Imaging Technology from Father Mullah's Medical College, affiliated with Rajiv Gandhi University, Mangalore. She received Best Outgoing Graduate of Allied Health Science for the year 2017 from Father Mullah Medical College, Mangalore. She received Academic Excellence Award and Best Outgoing MSc Student of 2020 batch from Enopoya, deemed to university. She has 2 years of work experience at Father Mullah's Medical College Hospital, currently working as Assistant Professor Q Medical Imaging Technologist at Enopoya, deemed to be University, Mangalore. We are indeed very proud of you, ma'am. Thank you for gracing the event. Success is not an end point but a continuous journey. Congratulations for reaching the milestone and may you continue to surpass us all expectations. Congratulations and thank you, ma'am.
Now I request Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, Sister Salat Mary, Mr. Arshad Varkadi, Mr. Dinesvi to felicitate Fahian and Joshvita. Thank you all the felicitator for honoring the special invited guest. Now I call upon Sister Salat Mary to distribute the KG section study prizes. LKG Sanvi R. First prize Sanvi R. Second Fatimat Arzana. Third Priona D'Souza. UKG Sampath Rathod, Mohammad Samaz, Swishan Setti. Thank you, dear sister, for distributing the prize. I request you to address the gathering.
Respected all the guests on the dais and all my dear parents and beloved students, I don't take much time. Just I want to wish you all a happy evening. We have a lot of programs set up for you to make you happy and enjoy. So I wish all the best for all the performers of the school. And I thank all the teachers, those who cooperated to put up this evening event, very excellent and beautiful one. So I thank all the audience and all the teachers and all the PTA members who really worked hard to make a beautiful dais, and we really enjoy with being with them within 3 days of hard work. Today is presented to you very beautifully excellent, and let us give big hands to all the PTA members, so school management committee and all the staff members and non-teaching staffs. Especially I thank Lydia ma'am for supporting us in all the ways. So thank you one and all. Let us sit back and watch and enjoy the remaining programs. Thank you.
We are grateful to you, dear sister. Gratitude is a unlock the fullness of life. It turns denial into acceptation, course into order. It makes sense for the past. It brings peace for today's and areate a vision of tomorrow. Now I call upon Mrs. Hemalata to express words of gratitude.
Good evening to everyone. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Honorable Joint Secretary, our most valuable invited guests, parents, staffs, and students, it is my pleasure to propose vote of thanks on the annual day 2023 of Fatima English Medium School. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude. With deep joy and respect, I stand before you on behalf of Fatima English Medium School. I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to all those who have graced this occasion. I thank the Almighty God for His countless blessings for the success of our school day. We express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed President, Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, who is smart and much concerned about the welfare of our school. You are an exemplary person and we have a lot to learn from you. With utmost joy, we express our tremendous appreciation to you, Father. Thank you, dear Father. I take this opportunity to say a special word of thanks to our guests of honor, Mr. Dinesh V., District Educational Officer, Kasaragod. Your presence has added immense value to our annual day celebration. Your words of wisdom and encouragement will inspire our students for years to come. Thank you, sir. From the depth of hearts, we thank Mr. Harshad Varkadi, Executive Chairman, Developing Standing Committee, Kasaragod District. Your presence is added beauty to our program. Thank you, dear sir. We are grateful to have Mrs. Rukia Siddiq, Ward Member of Minja Grama Panchayat, Executive Chairperson, Developing Standing Committee. Your presence to this program in spite of your busy schedule. Thank you, dear ma'am. I express my sincere thanks to Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, Vice President of Pastoral Parish Council, Our Lady of Fatima Church, Miyapadav. Thank you, sir. I also express my sincere gratitude to Mrs. Sarita D'Souza, Secretary of Parish Pastoral Council. Your readiness always there whenever we need your help. Thank you, dear ma'am. We express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Mr. Paul Montero, Senior PT Master, coming overhand, accepting our token of love. Thank you, sir. We extend our gratitude for Mr. Faihan Aluminous for gracing this event with your presence. Thank you, dear Faihan. We also extend our gratitude to Miss Josvita Montero, Alumina, for gracing this event with your presence. Thank you, Josvita. We also wish to express my gratitude to all our school committee members, Mr. Lawrence D'Souza, Mr. Francis, Mr. Joaquim Montero, Mr. Gary, and Mrs. Juliana D'Souza. We are really encouraged by your gracious presence and helping hand that you extend for the smooth functioning of school. Thank you very much. We express our sincere thanks and heart full of gratitude to PTA Vice President Mr. Prasanna Montero and Secretary Mrs. Shanti, who worked hard for the development of our school and success of the annual day celebration. Your help is always remembered. Thank you so much.
We appreciate all the executive members. I would be remiss if I did not acknowledge the invaluable support of our PTA members for your unwavering support and encouragement have been the cornerstone of our annual day success. Thank you each one of you for your hard work and sacrifices. I extend my thanks to the headmistress, Sister Salat Mary, for your systematic planning of the school day program. Your presence is a great source of motivation. You help us to realize that we cannot have the rainbow without rain. Thank you, dear sister. This event would have not been so successful without the help of our teaching staff. Thank you, dear teachers, for your tireless efforts for the success of the annual day celebration. A special word of gratitude to Mrs. Lydia Montero for all contribution and selfless work. Thank you, dear ma'am. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Renita D'Souza for your tireless efforts. Thank you, dear. Our sincere gratitude goes to all beloved our parents. We are grateful for your trust in our institution and for entrusting us with the responsibility of shaping the future of our children. Thank you for your support. Our sincere thanks to the Mr. M.H. Prakash for arranging sound and lightings, Mr. Francis photographer, Mr. Derek videographer added color and festivity to this evening. Thank you so much. We thank to our talented students. I offer my heartfelt congratulations on your stellar performance today. Thank you, dear lovely children. I thank all the parishioners of Our Lady of Fatima Church. Thank you for gracing for this event. A special thanks to each and every one of you for being with us throughout this evening to add color to our program. Thank you for gracing this event. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, and gratitude is the competition of thankfulness. Yes, once again, I thank each and everyone present here. We would also like to extend our appreciation to our sponsors and donors, without whom this event would not have been possible. We are grateful for your contributions. I would like to express our gratitude to all those who worked behind the screens, the volunteers, technical crew, event organizers who have worked tirelessly to ensure the smooth functioning of today's event. I express my sincere thanks to host of today's program, Mrs. Hemavati and Mrs. Soumya. Thank you both. As we bring the annual day celebration to a close, let us carry forward the spirit of unity, creativity, and excellence that has been showcased today. Let us continue to work together to create an inclusive and nurturing environment for our students, where they can flourish and realize their full potential. Once again, I extend my sincere thanks to each and every one of you for gracing this occasion with your presence and for making today's event a memorable one. Thank you all, and we look forward to your continued support in the future. Thank you.
Mrs. Hemalata, your words of gratitude touched everyone's heart. It was stunning. Thank you, Mrs. Hemalata, for thanking everyone. Now I request Mr. Fahian K to say a few words.
Good evening to one and all. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Myself, Dr. Faihan K, alumni of this school, Fatima English Medium School. I have proud to be here, standing in front of you all. I'm very much thankful for being invited here. I have done my schooling here from 1st standard to 5th standard here, and I have so many memories connected with this school. And I would like to thank each and every one of you. And I would like to thank my teachers, especially my school teacher, Mary Led sister. And there are many sisters who are currently not here, but I would like to remind them here on this special occasion. Mary Jo's sister, Mary Beena sister, who has passed away recently. My deepest condolences to her. And I would like to remind also Teresina sister, Teresa sister, Ranzina sister, each and every one of you. They have shaped us in such a beautiful way that wherever we go, we remember them throughout our life. Their teachings inspired us. And I would like to tell the same to all the teachers here, that teachers have the greatest role in shaping a child's future, and they are the boon to all the students here. I would also like to tell the parents that teach good values to your kids. What the child wishes to do, you must allow them to do it. Like their dreams are important. You should understand what your child is. Each child is unique, and each one has their own abilities. So parents and teachers must identify it, and you must culture good values in them so that they carry it throughout their life. And I would also like to tell the children that you must take inspirations from great leaders. You must become great leaders. Leader is the one who, as Abraham Lincoln said, leader is the one who knows the way, who shows the way, and goes the way. And we also have great leaders like APJ Abdul Kalam, who always spent his time with kids. So whichever field, maybe in the field of science, technology, or entrepreneur, whichever field, you always have to contribute to the service to the mankind. That is more important. We must become men and women for others. What service we do, like Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi ji, they all have done so much service to our country, to our nation, that we still remember them, we admire them, and we have so much to learn from them. And and I would like to thank my teachers once again, and my parents who have been here on this special occasion. And I would like to, there is no much time, so I would like to convey my few words by saying that dream big, achieve big in life, okay? Take inspirations and motivate others, and wishing you all a very good success in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Faihan, for your speech. May I kindly request the dignitaries on the dais to take the seats in front of the stage and be seated for the program. Art is not what you say, but what you make others see. Edgar Deases. Our loving students have worked carefully to put up the upcoming event, and the mentors have put lots of effort in guiding them. We shall now put aside all the worries of and enjoy the second signal of today's event. Now I hand over the stage to cultural program.
We all have a special affinity towards our cultural traditions. Our ancestors used different forms of art to tell a story and convey feelings and emotions. Here comes our friends to tell us a story about Tulu harvesting. Let us give them the stage. Dear friends, that was indeed a lovely performance. Dance with a smile, sing with a hail, dance like a peacock, dance with rhythm, tap the feet on the floor. The butterflies of UKG are going to be on the stage to dance to the tempo.
Good evening to all. I am Shammas from UKG. I am Satvik from UKG. What are you doing, Satvik? I am dancing. I like dance. Do you dance, Shammas? Yes, Satvik. Today is 24th annual day of our school. Our UKG friends are performing a dance. Oh, is it wonderful? Dear friends, now our UKG little butterflies are on the stage to perform a beautiful dance. Let us watch and enjoy.
This is the tribute to Talaiwa.
मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के all the Rajini fans don't miss the chance all the Rajini fans don't miss the chance lungi dance 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 डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा और द रजनी फैन डोंट मिस द चांस और द रजनी फैन डोंट मिस द चांस लुंगी dance 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 लुंगी dance
ರಕ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳ ಮೀರಿದ ಬಂಧವಿದು ಯಾವ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧಿಸುವುದು ಚಾಚಿ ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿದಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ನೋವನ್ನು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಬೆಸೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆವ ಎಂದು ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಂಬನಿಯ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹವಿದು ಇರಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತ
Excellent toddlers for your fascinating beats. The tiny sparkles joined together can create wonderful magic. Here comes the little stars of first standard to capture the well attentions of you all.
Good evening, one and all. My name is Agastya. I am studying in first standard. Today we are going to perform Malayalam dance. Let us enjoy. എൻ്റെ പേര് ലക്ഷ്യ. ഞാൻ 1ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നു. മലയാള സംസ്കാരത്തിൻ്റെ തമിഴ് അരിക്കുന്ന കൺകോർക്കുന്ന കൊച്ചു ചുവടുമായി എത്തുന്നു നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടുകാർ. എല്ലാവർക്കും ആനന്ദിച്ചു ഉല്ലസിക്കാം.
ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓനാന്ന് എത്തുപിടിക്കണതോനാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ കൂട്ടിന് വന്നതവനാന്നേ മണ്ണാന്ന് പൊന്നു വിളയണ മണ്ണാന്ന് പോയോരും വന്നോരും ചോര പൊടിച്ചൊരു മണ്ണാന്ന് കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയറേ കണ്ടിര തന്നാരോ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയറേ കണ്ടിര തന്നാരോ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ
ചെണ്ടയും പൂക്കുറുങ്കുഴലും താളമായല്ലോ വളക്കിലക്കി തളക്കിലക്കി കിളിയാട്ടില്ലേ ഞങ്ങൾ കനക കതിർ മണി നീട്ടാൻ കാവൽ നിന്നില്ലേ
കുമിര കുടികൊട്ടിന തകിട തകതിത്തന തറ ഇളക്കി തലയിളക്കി മുടിയാട്ടി ഉയിരെ പാടൂ നമ്മളൊന്നല്ലേ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയറേ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയറേ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓനാന്ന് എത്തുപിടിക്കണതോനാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ കൂട്ടിനു വന്നതവനാന്നേ
നമ്മള് തുടികൊട്ടി അടിവെച്ച് താളമിട്ടില്ലേ തട്ടുടുത്ത് ഞൊറിയിട്ട് കുറിയിട്ടോര് ഒന്നു വട്ടമിട്ട് കൈകൊട്ടി പൂപ്പൊലി പാടാം
കുമിര കുടികൊട്ടിന തകിട തകതിത്തന തെലുന്ത് വിളവിളങ്ങി പറ കൊട്ടട ഉയിരെ പാടൂ നമ്മളൊന്നല്ലേ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയറേ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയറേ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്കക്കാവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓനാന്ന് എത്തുപിടിക്കുന്നതോനാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ കൂട്ടിന് വന്നതവനാന്നേ
കളിക്കണ മണ്ണന്ന്.
പോയോരും വന്നോരും ചോര പൊടിച്ചൊരു മണ്ണാന്ന്. പതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പറ്റണ് പറ്റണ് നിറയറതിറയട്ടെ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ. പതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പറ്റണ് പറ്റണ് നിറയറതിറയട്ടെ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ. പതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പറ്റണ് പറ്റണ് നിറയറതിറയട്ടെ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ. പതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പറ്റണ് പറ്റണ് നിറയറതിറയട്ടെ തന്തിര തന്നാരോ.
You have hypnotized us, super buddies. Never let fear decide your future. It's all about how we live our life with courage. Now it's time to see a dynamic performance by our children. Let's join our hands to welcome them.
Karate is a form of martial arts in which each strike is a rhythmic and the fluidity of every movement. We find a reflection of dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to self-improvement. Karate is not merely a series of techniques, it is a journey of self-discovery. A path where the body and the mind converge to create a symphony of strength and wisdom. As we watch these skilled practitioners showcase their prowess in the arena, let us not only marvel at their physical abilities but also appreciate the mental fortitude and discipline that lie beneath the surface. Let's watch and enjoy. It was really amazing. The need of hour was picturized admirably. The silence of mime has more meaning than the noise of the world. Now we are going to have on the stage our friends to perform a fun-filled mime. It also gives us beautiful message how mobile became so important in everyone's life. Let's welcome them with cheers.
It was very capturing and awesome performance. You made us to laugh a lot. Now let's welcome our second and fourth standard students to the stage to show their talents with dramatic dance. Dear students, now the stage is yours.
ಪಡ್ಡಾಯಿ ಕಡಲು ಮೂಡಾಯಿ ಗಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದ ನಾಡು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡು ಪಚ್ಚ ತುತ್ತೈತದ ಸಿರಿ ಸಿಂಗಾರಡು ಜನಪದ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಪರ್ಬಡು ಮೆರೆಪುನ ಪುಣ್ಯಮಣ್ಣು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡು ಮೂಲು ನಮಪುರ ಪುಟ್ಟಿನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತೆರು ರಡ್ಡನೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ದ ಜೊಕ್ಲು ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರದು ತುಳು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿದ ಈ ಆಚರಣೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ತೋಜೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಮಾಫ್ ಮಲ್ತರು ನಿಕ್ಲೆನ ತಾಟಿದ ಬೆಂಬಲನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೆ
पास आते प्रेम नाते पास आते मल्ला क्लास पुल्लो कलते एक नाते बंजारा दिलते अनिता कुसिन पट्टोडिट्टे बेटी माता नलिपूग इट्टे बेटी माता नलिपूग इट्टे बेटी माता नलिपूग इट्टे
Once I'm volume nice, this is sorry.
ಮಿಸುಂದು ಕಮ್ಮೆನ ಪಸಿರುಂದು ಊರೊರ್ ಮೇದೆನನ
ಬಾಲಕಿಂಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಹುಲ್ಮುಗಿಲ ಸಿರಿ ಬಾನೊಡುರ ಬುಳ್ಳಿದ ಬುಲ್ಪೂದಿ ತಿಂಡಿಗೆ ತೊಂತರಿ ದಿರಿನ 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 ತೊಂತರಿ ದಿರಿನ ದಿರಿ 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 ದಿರಿನ ದಿರಿನ
ಓಡು ಕರೆಟ್ ಕಂಬುಳದಾನಿ ಎರುಗಿಡತ್ತಿ ಸೇಸಪ್ಪನಾಗ ಮೆಡಲ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಂಡ ಖುಷಿ ಏತಾವೋ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಏ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬೋಗು ಬೋಂಟೆ ದೇರ್ದು ಬೆಡಿ ಬುಡ್ನ ವಾಸನ್ನಾಗ ಮುರುಗ ಬೂರ್ನಾಗೇತ್ ಖುಷಿಯಾವೋ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಕಂಡೊಡು ಬುಳೆ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಬನ್ನಗ ಸುದೆಕ್ ಸಂಕ ಕಟ್ಟನಗ ಜವನಿಯರು ಲೈನ್ ಪಡ್ನಗ ಗಾಳಗು ಮೀನು ತಿಕ್ಕನಗ ಬಲ್ದು ಗಿಡಿಯಾಗ ಬಾಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನಗ ಕೋರಿದ ಕಟ್ಟಡು ಎದುರು ಬುಡ್ನಗ ಗೆಂದಂಡೆಂಚಾವೋ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನ ಡೆನ್ನಾನ
Really, that is crazy. Wonderful performance. I request all of you to give them a round of applause. Hello everyone. Do you all know what's so special about this dance? It may be the beautiful girls and handsome boys dressed up charmingly ready to dance. Now let's welcome our third standard shining stars to the stage. हेलो दोस्त, आप सब कैसे हैं? हम सब ठीक है। आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम मौलिया है। आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम वैभव है। आप कहाँ से आए हो? मैं राजस्थान से आई हूँ। आप कहाँ से आया हूँ? मैं कश्मीर से आई हूँ। आपका साथ कौन आया है? मेरे साथ मेरे कुछ दोस्त आए हैं। मेरा दोस्त भी मेरा साथ आया है। अब क्या करेंगे? हम एक साथ मिलकर नाचेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा। अच्छा ठीक है, हम तो कश्मीर गाने पर नाचेंगे। हम तो राजस्थान के गाने पर नाचने वाले हैं। अब तीसरे कक्षा के छात्र अद्भुत नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं, तो आप सब तैयार हैं? हमारे नृत्य प्रदर्शन को ज़रूर देखें और तालियां बजाकर हमें स्वागत कीजिए।
चिपक के चलती है कभी कभी तो राहें,
जुड़े जुड़े कुछ ऐसे के लगा हो जैसे गम।
डबल डबल होती थी जो कभी कभी तकलीफें,
किसी के संग में चलने से हुई हद से कम।
ओ तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा
किस्सा तिरंगी,
कभी कभी चलती है कभी कभी रुकती कहानी बेढंगी। कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी, नॉर्थ साउथ की मिट गई देखो दूरी ही सारी।
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी,
50-50 हर सिचुएशन में हिस्सेदारी।
एक तरफ तो झगड़ा है साथ फिर भी तगड़ा है, दो कदम चलते हैं तो लगता है आठ है।
दो तरह के फ्लेवर 100 तरह के तेवर दर बदर फिरते हैं जी फिर भी अपनी ठाट है कभी कभी चले सीधे कभी मुड़ जाए कभी कभी कहीं टूटे कहीं जुड़ जाए हम शाम शहर के चारों पहर के मूड में ढल जाए कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी उत्तर में दक्षिण को अफलातून आंख मारी कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी दिल बेचने जाए तो फिर ये दुनिया सारी
ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਬਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटदी ना तो सोनी वे मैं fed up हो गई हूं मुंडिया मैं fed up हो गई हूं मुंडिया सुन सुन के तेरे दुखने वे मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला 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 ओ मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर
मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला
Dear Kidzi, you made us dance with you. So now, shall we bring some Bollywood and Tollywood touch for this evening? Let's rock ourselves seeing this fusion of dance from our 5th standard students.
Dance is the joy of movement and the part of life. I am Drisha S from 5th standard. I am thrilled to welcome you to an enchanting evening of rhythm, grace and artistic expression. Bollywood fusion dance is a style of dance that combines traditional Indian dance with contemporary styles. It is performed to the Bollywood music, which is a genre of Indian film music that combines traditional Indian instruments with Western influences. Now, we the students of 5th standard are going to perform the Bollywood fusion dance.
धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली अरे बचने से धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली
चढ़ो ढोल वाले बैंड बाजा लेके आ जाओ
चली जाती है
I think it's time to come back to normal.
अफगान जलेबी 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 माशूक फरेबी 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 घायल है तेरा दीवाना भाई वाह भाई वाह एक माह जबी एक नूर नगी रब की रुबाई क्या है तबाही कर दे मुसराही बोली इलाही अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी घायल है तेरा दीवाना भाई वाह भाई वाह आके क्या प्यार करेगी चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भाई वाह भाई वाह अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी घायल है तेरा दीवाना
A big round of cheers for your dazzling performance. If you are a true warrior, situation doesn't scare you. It makes you powerful. Now the students from class 6 are going to perform a skit. Let us put our hands together and welcome them on the stage with a huge round of applause.
Kannada folk dance says that a young man, Sara, saved the Jain Guru and the villagers by slaying a tiger. Because of this, later Sara was known as Hoysala. Later on, the Hoysala dynasty became one of the powerful dynasty in Karnataka. Now our 6th standard friends are going to perform Hoysala story through their dance. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದ ರತುನ ಕೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಡನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದ ರತುನ ಕೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಡನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲೆನಾಡಿನ ಮಡಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಊರಿತ್ತು ಊರಿಗೆ ಚೆಲುವಿನ ಕಳೆಯಿತ್ತು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿರಾಗಿರುವ ಬೀಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವನಸಿರಿ ಮೆರೆದಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿಯು ನೆಲೆಸಿತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಮನುಜಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಧರ್ಮವೇ ಮನೆಯಾಗಿ ಮೌನವೇ ಮಾತಾಗಿ ಅಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಿ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತು ಅದರೊಳು ಗುರುಕುಲ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದ ರತುನ ಕೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಡನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ವೃಕ್ಷರಾಶಿ ನೆರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದತ್ತಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಸಾಗಿತ್ತು ಧರ್ಮದ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಸಾಗಿತ್ತು ವಾಸಂತಿಕೆಯ ದೇಗುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಸಂಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು ಸಳನ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಅಬ್ಬರದ ಸದ್ದೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಲೋಲ ಹೊಂಬಿಸಿಲೇರುವ ಸುಂದರ ಸಮಯದಿ ಬಂದಿತು ಹುಲಿಯೊಂದು ಕಚ್ಚಿಸಿ ಹುಡುಗಿತು ಹುಲಿಯೊಂದು ಕಂಚಿನ ಕಂಠದಿ ಸಳನನು ಕೂಗಿ ಕರೆದರು ಆಗ ಆಜ್ಞೆಯು ಮೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಗುರುಗಳ ಆಜ್ಞೆಯೇ ಮೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ವೀರಾವೇಶದ ಶೌರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಸೆಣಸಿದ ರೋಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲಿಯದು ಕೆರಳಿತ್ತು ಹಸಿದಿಹ ಹುಲಿಯದು ಕೆರಳಿತ್ತು
ಇಳಿಯದಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಗೆದ್ದನು ಮುಂದಾಗಿ ಊರಿನ ವೀರನ ಮೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತ ಜನತೆಯು ಸಳನನು ಹರಸಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಚ್ಚದೆ ಸಳನನು ಹರಸಿತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದ ರತುನ ಕೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ. ಹುಲಿಯನು ಕೊಂದ ವೀರನನ್ನು ಗುರುಗಳು ಆಗ ಹರಸಿರಲು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಸಳನು ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು, ಅನುಪಮ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು. ಹುಲಿಯನು ಕೊಲ್ಲುವ ಲಾಂಛನ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗದ್ದುಗೆ ಏರಿ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮೆರೆದು ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಾಯ್ತು, ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಾಯ್ತು. ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ತೇರಾಗಿ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆ ನೂರಾಗಿ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಹೊನಲಾಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ತೌರಾಗಿ, ವೈಭವ ಸಾರುವ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ನಾಡನು ಬೆಳಗಿತ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡನು ಬೆಳಗಿತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದ ರತುನ ಕೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ, ಜಯ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ.
సిలక 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 ఇది సితరాంగి సిలక పిలక 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 పెట్టి పోరా సురక గిరక 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 ఇది సెదబాయి గిరక ఉరక 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 సొట బుక్కే కొరక చిల్లెలమ్మ చిట్ట పిల్ల పల్ల పిట్ట చిల్లెలమ్మ చిట్ట నినే తెల్లై కుట్ట ముంటే దమ్ముంటేనే పూల పక్క ఈస్తా చల్లేసి నీ జమట సుక్క బస్తా సాగిస్తా నీ సోకే కటక ఏస్తా ఏస్తా నీ తోటే కుటక చిల్లెలమ్మ చిట్ట పిల్ల పల్ల పిట్ట చిల్లెలమ్మ చిట్ట నినే తెల్లై కుట్ట సిలక 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 ఇది సితరాంగే సిలక పిలక 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 పెట్టి పోరా సురక గిరక 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 ఇది సెదబాయి గిరక ఉరక 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 సొట బుక్కే కొరక పట్టుకొని జోగిస్తే చెటాకే నడుము తట్టుకొని ఊపేస్తా పటాకై తడుము సత్తువని చూపిస్తే పిల్లోడా దినము పెద్దతని ఇస్తారా మల్లె పూల వనము వస్తావా నా సెంటరు చూస్తారా నీ టెంపరు అసలుకునే కిరకే నన్నే కెలకే అసలుతుంది దిమాకే నువ్వే ఫసకే జిల్లెలమ్మ చిట్ట పిల్ల పల్ల పిట్ట జిల్లెలమ్మ చిట్ట నిన్నే తెల్లై కుట్ట సిలక 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 ఇది సితరాంగి సిలక పిలక 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 పెట్టి పోరా సురక గిరక 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 ఇది సెదబాయి గిరక ఉరక 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 సొట బుక్కే కొరక
खातांव आमी नुस्तें गरोयतांव आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव आनी गोंया आमचो गांव आमी शीत कडी खातांव आमी नुस्तें गरोयतांव आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव आनी गोंया आमचो गांव हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास 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 आमी देवळांत वेतांव आमी इगोर्जेन वेतांव आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव हे देवळांत वेतांव आमी इगोर्जेन वेतांव आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतांव कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास 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 वाजयतांव आमी कांतारां म्हणटांव आमी फुगडी गाजयतांव पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव आमी मुस्क वाजयतांव आमी कांतारां म्हणटांव आमी फुगडी गाजयतांव पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास
Thank you, dear friends, for your spectacular performance. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our esteemed guests. A big round of applause and thanks to all the participants who made the event a memorable one. Finally, I would like to thank all of you present here for taking the time to be with us today and helping us to make this event a grand success. Thank you one and all for the support.
Let us wind off this program as we stand all and pay homage to our nation by singing the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
How was the program, dear audience? Was it good? Yes or no? Let's have a big round of applause for all our performance, all the students, all the teachers, and especially thank Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa for supporting us to organize this annual day, very excellent and beautiful one. So good news for all the students. Tomorrow we have a holiday. Day after tomorrow you have to come to school as usual. So teachers will be coming tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
we have some of the works here to be done. So teachers come at 9 o'clock to the school, and along with them, all the PTA members and school management committee are requested to be at the school at 9 o'clock. Thank you one and all. Have a good night. Thank you.